The archaeological sources of ancient India. Archaeological sources play a crucial role in understanding the history, culture, and development of ancient India. These sources provide physical evidence that helps historians and researchers piece together the puzzle of India's past, offering insights that are often not found in written records. While texts like the Vedas, the epics, and the Dharma Shastras provide valuable information about ancient society, archaeological evidence adds another layer of understanding, particularly when it comes to everyday life, material culture, and social practices. Here, we will explore the major archaeological sources of ancient India in detail. The discovery and excavation of ancient sites across India have been instrumental in revealing the lifestyle, urban planning, and cultural practices of ancient civilizations. Some of the most significant archaeological sites are Indus Valley Civilization. Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. The Indus Valley Civilization, also known as the Harappan Civilization, is one of the oldest urban cultures in the world, dating back to around 2500 BCE. Excavations at Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Lothal, and other sites in present-day Pakistan and India have revealed advanced city planning, sophisticated drainage systems, and evidence of trade. The people of this civilization used standardized weights and measures, and their script, although undeciphered, gives clues about their literacy and administration. Bhimbetka Caves, Madhya Pradesh. These rock shelters contain some of the earliest examples of prehistoric cave paintings in India, dating back to the Paleolithic period. The paintings depict animals, human figures, and various other scenes, providing a glimpse into the lives and beliefs of early humans in India. Magad, Bihar. The region of Magad, including sites like Nalanda, Rajgir, and Vaishali, played a key role in the development of ancient Indian kingdoms and Buddhist culture. Excavations in this region have revealed Buddhist monasteries, temples, and artifacts that help us understand the religious and philosophical developments of the time. Patliputra, Patna. The capital city of the Maurya Empire, Patliputra, was a thriving urban center with well-planned streets and public buildings. Archaeological evidence, such as the ruins of city walls and fortifications, as well as inscriptions, has provided insights into the political and administrative systems of ancient India. Taxila, Pakistan. Taxila, a prominent center of learning and culture, was a key site in ancient India. Excavations here have uncovered educational institutions, Buddhist monasteries, and remnants of the Gandhara art style, which influenced art and sculpture across Asia. Kushinagar, one of the most important Buddhist pilgrimage sites, Kushinagar is believed to be the place where the Buddha attained parinirvana, final nirvana. Excavations have uncovered stupas, inscriptions, and other religious artifacts. Artifacts are another crucial source of information about ancient Indian life. These include pottery, tools, weapons, jewelry, sculptures, and everyday objects used by ancient people. For example, pottery. The pottery of ancient India, such as the redware, painted greyware, and the black and redware, helps us understand the technological skills, aesthetic tastes, and cultural practices of ancient societies. Pottery also provides clues about trade and the exchange of goods across regions. Tools and weapons. The study of ancient tools and weapons reveals the technological advancements of ancient India. Stone tools from the Paleolithic and Mesolithic periods, as well as iron tools from later periods, show the evolution of technology. Iron working, particularly during the Iron Age, around 1200 BCE, marked a significant shift in the development of tools, weapons, and agriculture. Jewelry and sculptures. Jewelry made of gold, silver, and beads provides insights into the artistic and cultural practices of ancient Indians. Sculptures from the Mauryan and Gupta periods also reveal the religious and artistic themes that were prevalent during those times. Inscriptions are written records carved into stones, metal plates, and other materials. These inscriptions provide a wealth of information about the political, social, and religious life of ancient India. Notable inscriptions include Ashokan Edicts. The Mauryan Emperor Ashoka's rock edicts, scattered across India and beyond, provide important information about his rule, his adoption of Buddhism, and his policies on governance, social welfare, and ethics. Ashoka's edicts are one of the earliest examples of written records in Indian history. Gupta inscriptions. During the Gupta Empire, circa 4th-6th century CE, inscriptions were used to record royal deeds, land grants, and religious patronage. These inscriptions are valuable for understanding the political and social organization during the Gupta period. Chola inscriptions. The Chola dynasty, 9th-13th century CE, left behind numerous inscriptions that record their military conquests, administrative system, and religious practices. These inscriptions are essential for understanding the governance and cultural activities of the Cholas. Ancient coins are another important archaeological source that sheds light on the economic system, political history, and art of ancient India. Coins were minted by various dynasties, including the Mauryas, Guptas, and Indo-Greeks. The study of coins helps historians understand trade and economy. Coins were used for trade and to standardize the monetary system. Coins from different regions reveal the extent of trade relations with other parts of the world, such as Greece, Persia, and Central Asia. Political history. Coins often depicted the rulers of the time, providing insight into their reigns, titles, and military victories. The study of coinage also helps in dating historical events and understanding the territorial extent of ancient kingdoms. The remains of ancient buildings, temples, forts, and stepwells are significant archaeological sources that give us a sense of the architectural styles and construction techniques used in ancient India. For example, stupas. The stupas at Sanchi, Bharhut, and others are some of the most famous ancient structures that have been excavated. They are associated with Buddhist practices and the preservation of relics. Temples and monasteries. Excavated remains of temples, such as those from the Gupta and Chola periods, reveal not only the religious practices of the time but also the architectural prowess of ancient Indian craftsmen. Human remains, including skeletons and burial sites, provide valuable information about the health, diet, and social practices of ancient people. For instance, studies of skeletal remains from the Harappan sites suggest evidence of diseases, injuries, and dietary habits. Burial practices, such as the types of graves and the items buried with individuals, also provide insights into social stratification and beliefs about the afterlife. Archaeological sources are indispensable for reconstructing the history of ancient India. Through excavations, artifacts, inscriptions, coins, architecture, and human remains, we gain a comprehensive understanding of the lives, cultures, and societies of ancient Indians. These physical remnants not only complement the written texts but also offer a direct connection to the past, allowing us to explore the rich and diverse heritage of India. If you are enjoying our content, please subscribe to our channel. This will inspire us to create even better videos, and you'll be able to easily receive all our updates. Your support means a lot to us. Thank you.